We're here at Barleylands Farm Park in Billericay. Plenty going on today, so we're going to check this out and take you along for the ride.
We're starting off at the Bird of Prey walkway, which is right at the entrance of the park.
Wow! Did you hear him?
Wow!
What is it?
What is it, darling?
A meerkat?
Meerkats all day, they're my favourite. Like literally, Chris was like, right, come on, Alice. I'm like, oh, I don't want to go. I love them so much.
Roman, say tractor. Yeah! Oh, look at this. That's not as bad as what I thought it'd be.
They're actually not. They're not great, but that is why I don't drink full fat Coke. Roman, say moo.
Have to be bigger.
Like our relationship.
Have to be able to lay their eggs, and therefore need to have more.
Have just spotted some soft play. If it's not soft play, then it's like outdoor parks, but if Roman sees it, there's no getting away from it.
Look, a goat.
Look, a goat. Wow! Wow! Swings!
Watch your feet.
Roman, look, slide! Woo!
Look.
Oh, it's a baby one there. Hi, baby.
Feed the goats.
This dog goat's not a poor onion.
The unfortunate thing is, because Liz is pregnant, you can't feed, is it the goats and the sheep?
Yeah. Yeah, lamb. Oh, it's
Ready?
also 3 fingers.
Watch. Roman, want to do it? Look, you ready?
Mark?
Look, you want to feed the baby one? Not scared, is he?
Good boy! Well done!
Yeah! Stroke, look, Roman, do it. That's it, good boy.
Well done!
I've got this
Good boy! They've got their little booties on. Say ba. Ba.
That's it. You can only do one at a time though. This bit. I'll give them a bit each. Look, here you go, a bit for you. A bit for you. Here you go, geese. For you.
So sweet. You're lovely.
No, not that.
Oh look. You want some too? Give him some food.
Well, lovely fluffy faces,
They're
isn't they?
so nice. They're my favourite sheep I've ever seen.
For a bit of lunch. There's plenty of places to eat here. Like there's lots of benches if you want to bring a packed lunch and sit down.
You can set up a picnic blanket if you want to sit on the floor.
Yeah, lots of grass areas as well. And there was a cafe back there, a soft play, wasn't there?
Yeah, and there's loads of high chairs in there as well.
What you got, Roman? You got croissant? Overall, super impressed. I was expecting it to be smaller than this.
So much smaller. I was expecting it to be so much smaller. There's so much here. Like when you walk in, it's giant, isn't it? Actually,
Yeah.
there's so many animals. Like, and you can sort of follow a path around. But then along the way, there's soft play here. There's the little sandy park over there. Then there's a wooden park somewhere else, and there's swings somewhere else.
Yeah, loads of things you can stop off.
Yeah.
I really liked the tractors. We was just saying, if Roman was a little bit older and could ride the tractors, you would literally grab one at the front door and you could just ride around the whole park.
The whole
couldn't you?
park, yeah, like you wouldn't need to bring them prams or whatever.
Yeah.
And they put on shows as well. We just watched one, so there's a fairy tale show. And then the other one was it
Skittle
Man?
Man.
Yeah, we're not going to watch that one, but we watched the fairy tale show, and it's two princesses and a knight, and they're singing songs and stuff, which is really cute, and all the kids were up dancing. That was really sweet.
I'll say for Roman's age, so he's 18 months soon, isn't he?
Yeah.
For Roman's age, there's quite a lot to do, but I would say 3 to 8.
I think maybe even 2.
2 to 8.
Yeah, give it 6 months when he's understanding, come back, you know?
Yeah, I agree. It's just Roman doesn't know the word no, or look, he's just chucking stuff.
Yeah,
So.
it'll come back, you know, so if he runs off. But I would 100% recommend this place. If you've got little ones and you're in the Essex area, definitely come and have a look. It's a really nice day out.
I've not really heard much about it.
No. I've seen it a lot on Instagram.
Have you?
Yeah. Like just random pictures. I've not really seen the video. But yeah, I'll definitely come again. Bring it with my friends and stuff.
And when he's a bit older.
Yeah, definitely. Because he loved the tractor. He just said tractor for the first time as well. So yeah, we'll definitely come back.
After this,
Why?
I'll pack up my bags.
Babe. No. Hi. Hiya. He's cute.
As old as you.
Old then, yeah?
Yeah.
He's so sweet. He's really looking. Mama say bye-bye, Turtus. Bye-bye.
If you like that kind of content, check out this next video, which is our pregnancy craving challenge.